Hello everyone, Pat here, back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you guys how you can make your own PoseNet program using only VB.NET EmguCV 4.0 by the way, and the pre-trained model. I'm gonna link all of the libraries and models down in the description. So yeah, let's jump right to it. So here, there's a test platform for me, a test program for me. So I'm gonna actually, teach you guys how to program PoseNet program. Yeah. So here it has loaded the PoseNet model, and then it's going to use the PoseNet model, and yeah, look at it. Now PoseNet has 17 points. Each point correspond to each part of each key point of the body. So here you can see all the points here. Yes, yeah, there we go. So this left ear, right ear, right eye, nose, left eye, left ear, and etc. This is the body. Yeah, this looks very awesome, and I have put a lot of research onto this project. So yeah, you better subscribe, okay? So yeah, with that being said, let's jump right into the coding scene. Alright, so here is a brand new project, mind you. So down the description, I'll basically just give you a link to this folder, and in this folder there are 4 stuff. 3 of these are the model, so you have to head into what is it? PoseNet, test PoseNet. There, you have to go to your you have to first set the platform to x86, and then you're gonna build the solution. Yeah, you have to wait a little bit, and there we go. So go to x86 debug, and then we're going to basically copy these models and these DLLs into this. So basically now we're going to add the references. So we're going to browse to your folder, to your project folder. In this case mine is test PoseNet. Go to x86, there you go, and then we're going to pick zgraph, EmguCV Word, statement the same, okay? So we're going to click add, and then OK. And now here's the coding. It's coding time. So here first what you're gonna do is you want to import EmguCV.g2, import EmguCV. Okay, so yeah, let's add a button here. This button is going to check the image. So I'm gonna select I'm going to select a picture. Okay, I'm going to select a picture. Here we go. I'm going to pick a test picture for the demonstration. So test PoseNet. There we go. And then first you have to declare a variable, a mat. We're going to use cvinvoke.imageRead human.jpg. that's the image file, okay? And then we are going to declare using this is optional, by the way. So yeah, I don't think so. You can have it or not, but you can have it for it's nice to image of HDR byte. So basically, oh shoot. So base we have to import EmguCV.structure, okay? And then you have to type this HDR byte, and then copy blank .mat. This is optional, by the way. So we are going to declare the frame width, which is going to be equal to frames.columns, and then the frame height is going to be, you guess it, frames.rows, and then we are going to declare the aspect ratio between the frame width and the frame height. So we're going to actually do this. There we go. And after that, we're going to declare the initial height for the training, for the blob to forward into the network. So we're going to declare that, and then we're going to declare the initial width, which is equal to cent aspect ratio multiplied by in height multiplied by 8, just going to be divided by 8. Boom. It is not right. Sorry. Here. Alright. So yeah, you have to. Yeah. So now we have declared the initial height and the initial width. So what we're gonna do now is we are going to declare another thing called blob for the for the network to output the result. So we're going to actually use DNN invoke.readNet from, pay attention please, from TensorFlow, and then I'm gonna wait, and then you're gonna use any of these models. Now this model has a O50, which means it has a roughly 50% of accuracy. This one is 70%, this one is 100%, and for some reason the 100% does not work as expected. Okay, it doesn't work, so we're just going to use the best one here called 0.75. So there, and then oh shoot, that was the wrong one. Sorry. We should use DNN invoke.blob from image from frame 1.0 divided by 255, and then new draw. Oh shoot, what the heck? New drawing.size in width, in height, and then we're going to use a mean, which is going to be 127.5, 127.5, 127.5. And then we're going to use true and false. There we go. Got it. So here we're going to declare the net up here. So we're going to use this. Here we PoseNet, that's net is equal to dnn.dnninvoke.readNet from TensorFlow, and with the model name. There we go. Okay. Okay, so what's next? So we're going to put the blob into the net. What? Sorry. EmguCV.dnm.net. DNM.net. Okay, and yeah. So we're going to set input with the blob. Bam! There we go. And then now we are going to output to get the output. So now we're going to use this command. That's going to forward the output. Okay, and yeah, and then we can wait a second. Okay, so now we'll have to declare the points that the output can output. So it is 17. So I think it's going to be a const. Okay, so yeah, then we're going to use this 0 to endpoints -1. Then we're going to be using output. Now this is a blob. It's equal to new match from output dot size of dimension index 2 output the size of dimension index 3 depth type dot cf. Wait, what? Depth type depth type is going to be 32f, and then one channel, and then we're going to redirect it here. Then we're going to get a data pointer, which is at 0i, and then we're going to put into the output step. Bam! There we go. That is a long line, but it works. But this line gave me a lot of trouble, so yeah, hope it get you fixed. And yeah, so now that is the probability math. And now what we are going to do is wait a second. It's going to declare. It's going to first resize this probability map to frame which that right. Yep, new drawing dot size frame width frame height, and then we're going to declare the min value as double, the max value as double. Wait, I can actually max value this max value should be declared as probability number, but yeah. And then the min lock max lock as drawing dot point. Okay, and then now we're going to use the CV invoke sub called min-max lock, and then it's going to be drop min val max val min lock max lock. Actually, we only need the max val max lock, but yeah. And now we're going to use an if statement called if max val, which is the probability, is greater than the threshold, and I should have got the threshold here. Dim threshold. Well, let's say it's going to be equal to 0.3. If it is larger than the threshold is between 0 and 1, mind you. If it is larger, then we are going to then we are going to know that it is actually a true value that we can put it into and down, and so we're going to circle down by using this. We're going to circle the frame at the max lock, which is at the point, and the radius is going to be 4, and then the color is going to be 255, 0, and then the thickness is going to be -1. We are also going to circle the empty frame. Circle. Gosh, I'm in such a hurry, okay? Yeah, that's going to work. And now, wait, I forgot this. We're going to declare key points at new list of drawing dot point, and we're going to add it add max lock. Okay, so now we're going to if the max value is not equal or larger than the threshold, we are going to add basically nothing. Okay, nothing. And now those are the key points. Okay, so now if you want to draw it, you will have to declare a lot of pairs actually. I'll copy this because I clearly does not have enough time to write these codes, but yeah, you should get this. You should be able to get this in the project code. So yeah, these are the pairs. It's a long pair, but it's nice. So here are the enum, and yeah, basically now we're going to do this for each command, for each pair in body points pair if key point at pair 0. So now we're going to check if it's nothing or not, if it's null or not. If key points at 0 dot x is larger than 1, and then 0, and key points at pair 0 dot y is larger than 0, and we're going to basically copy this command, this line. We're going to change it to pair 1, and if it is, well, then we're going to line the pair. Okay, so we're going to line the frame, the pair at 0, pair at 1. Oh wait, what? Oh, that was wrong. Key points at pair at 0. Key points at pair 1, and color, new EmguCV scalar 255, then thickness value, and yeah, that's basically the code. Now that we have the image, oh wait, we'll have to also line the empty frame. Okay, alright, so now we are going to use 2 picture boxes. We're going to use this type. Then at the end of the line, we are going to use this picture box 1 dot image is going to be frame dot bitmap picture box2.image is going to rim.bitmap in here. Okay, so I found out the problem is that I'll have to put these just lines of code out here because well, if we are going to loop for this, well, it's not, but then the key points count is going to only be 1, so it's not going to be, you know, valid. So there we go. So that's the program. Now let's try to run it. Oh shoot, I forgot that I have to move this line. Alright, here we go for real. Bam. There we go. So yeah, so that is the result. And yeah, and I'm going to link, and yeah, that's the end of the tutorial. I'm going to link all the libraries, the models. Oh, and by the way, the model is actually here at this website. That is paper. Thank you medium.com. Thank you a lot. You saved my life. Okay. Yeah. And by the way, this code is based on a website called learnopencv.com, .net, or I don't remember the domain, but yeah. So you guys should check out those videos. And yeah, I'm going to put the libraries, the models, pre-trained models, and I'm going to put the whole project down in the description below for you to download. Okay, this is very urgent for a lot of developers, I guess. I mean, yeah, I hope that I am your inspiration. But yeah, that being said, this is Pat signing out.